Lighting up the great outdoors. Mastering the camp stove. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and useful phrase, light a camp stove. Whether you're a camping enthusiast or just love learning practical English phrases, this video is for you. So, let's get started and learn all about how to light a camp stove and what this phrase really means. To light a camp stove means to start a fire within a portable stove used during camping. These stoves are essential for outdoor adventures as they allow you to cook food and boil water anywhere. Lighting them correctly is crucial for safety and efficiency. This phrase encompasses both the physical action of starting the stove and the knowledge required to do so safely. Safety should always be your top priority when lighting a camp stove. It involves checking the stove's condition, ensuring it's placed on a stable surface, and verifying that the area is well ventilated. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions to prevent accidents. Remember, understanding the phrase, light a camp stove, is not just about the action but also about being aware of the safety practices involved. 1. Prepare your area. Make sure your camp stove is on a flat surface away from flammable materials. 2. Check your equipment. Ensure the stove is in good condition and you have fuel. 3. Connect the fuel. Attach the fuel source to the stove securely. 4. Open the valve. Turn the fuel valve to allow gas to flow. 5. Ignite the stove. Use a lighter or match to light the stove. Some stoves have a built-in ignition system. 6. Adjust the flame. Once lit, adjust the flame to your desired level for cooking. If it's your first time lighting a camp stove, here are a few tips. Practice at home. Familiarize yourself with your stove in a controlled environment. Keep water nearby. Always have water or a fire extinguisher close in case of an emergency. Follow instructions. Reading and understanding your stove's manual is key. Congratulations, you've just expanded your English vocabulary and learned how to light a camp stove. We hope this video not only helps you in your language learning journey but also prepares you for your next outdoor adventure. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to go over these steps until you feel confident. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon for more English learning tips and tricks. Safe travels and happy camping!